guys. So I took a pregnancy test this morning and I thought I could have had it from babe, but I guess I can't. So I'm going to attempt to tell him that the pregnancy test I took this morning is actually positive. So let me show you guys real quick what it looks like. Okay, let me put it down so you can see. Tell her, don't.
What's that? What's that?
So there you guys go. It's as obvious two line. I missed my period the past 2 days, and there we go.
Mama,
Yes, Stella.
I'm talking to you. What's that?
I'll soon tell you what it is. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, I was talking to a very close friend of mine just now, and I just had to tell her the particular person I'm talking about, we have a really close relationship and we discuss everything feminine, and I know she knows when it's my time of the month, and there's no way I could hide it from her because we keep tracking it lately, and hers came and mine didn't came. So mine didn't come, so I know she would ask me, Mel, did yours come? And there's no way that I could lie to her because I really don't know how to lie. I don't have a lying face. So I had to tell her that, hey, I did it this morning and this happened. So she gave me this bright idea of how to tell babe. So what I'm gonna do is that, Tyler, mama coming to help you, okay? So every evening when babe came home, the first thing he does after he take off his clothes is either I prepare his dinner or he know that his dinner is in the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a plate and cover it with a microwave cover. I'm gonna cover it with a microwave cover and put it in a microwave. That way if he comes home suddenly, Kaka, Bobo, mama soon come kiss it, go and sit. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave so that way if he comes sudden and I don't get to set up, then I can tell him that his dinner is in the microwave and that is what he'll see. So let's see if I can pull this off.
It's something wrong in my shoes. It's wrong
That's okay.
because it's wrong in here. My papa took pee.
Okay, you want to eat out of Paw Patrol plate today?
Yes.
Okay. This is hilarious. So I put it in the microwave and he should be home any minute. So let's wait on babe to get home. So I decided to take it out the microwave because it might be a bad idea because it's so light, it's probably just slide down on him. So as you guys can see, I just cover it right here. That way he'll think that's his dinner. So let's see how this is gonna go. This is gonna be hilarious. So as you guys can know, I have had a miscarriage a few months ago. I have conditioned my mind not to think about the pregnancies anymore, to just enjoy my husband and let whatever happen. It still doesn't really even hit me as yet that there's 2 lines on that test, but for it to really hit me, I just have to wait a few days and take another one and then see how that goes, and then the reality will probably hit me that, hey, this is happening. But really and truly, in past times I've had symptoms of all kinds. This time I have nothing, I feel nothing, and I guess maybe it's because I conditioned my mind not to think about it anymore. It's because I said, you know what, if it's to happen, it's to happen, and Almighty will give it to me when he decides. So I guess I even took the test this morning without filming because I wasn't expecting a positive. I was expecting a negative because the past few months it's been negatives, and some months I've had symptoms, terrible symptoms. I have been so sick and so tired and so hungry, and I've decided not to test, and like even 30 days then the period just show up. So I really haven't been, I've been disappointed so many times. I decided that, you know what, I'm just gonna take this one this morning. Just randomly, just check. I wasn't even thinking anything. It's because I missed my period the past 2 days, and I said, all right, let me just test and see what's gonna happen. And then I went back a few minutes later, and it was 2 lines. So you want lemon and honey? My big baby is over there. You're just ready for dinner, right? Medicine, he loved lemon and honey because I used to give him lemon and honey when he had a cold, and he loved it. So he still want lemon and honey. He's hilarious.
You didn't see that coming.
Mr. Teacher.
Okay, Tyler, okay. What? What is it? What's in your plate? What you got for dinner?
I got, I don't know.
Okay, I'm coming. Now you can go and do your stupid exercise.
I'm not gonna do stupid exercise now.
Why? What's wrong, honey?
Nothing's wrong. Ava?
You didn't see that coming? You didn't even ask me how it happened. How?
I mean, I thought about it in terms of. That's why I asked you how is yours.
And you've been asking me how am I all day. You've been annoying me all day.
Yeah.
That's why I'm giving you one word.
But I didn't see that coming like right now. Attends, Tyler.
So, I have a confession. I have a confession. Friday when we were leaving, I took one because I said, okay, since we're going to the wedding and it's French people, so it's going to be a lot of alcohol. So I wanted to know if I was, so I know if I'm to. Ty, what is it?
I can take Papa.
Where are you going to take Papa?
Here.
Okay, go on. So I took one Friday and it was negative. I don't know if I threw it away too fast or whatever, but it was negative.
Okay.
And then this morning it just dawned on me that my period should have come from Tuesday and it didn't come.
Tyler, s'il te plaît.
Ty,
Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire? Non, pourquoi tu veux que papa il se mette assis?
it
Okay.
didn't come, so I said, alright, let me take one this morning. And
Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait, maman?
Comme ça. Avec les bidons et comme ça. Pourquoi tu fais ça?
Pourquoi? Parce que maman c'est ma femme.
Parce que
Parce que j'aime maman.
parce que toi tu fais comme ça.
Et tu es jaloux?
Oui.
Viens.
Pourquoi tu fais ça à maman?
Ok, viens, fais ça à Tyler aussi. Tu veux faire ça à Tyler?
he says, Papa, why did you kiss Mama like that? Papa, why did you kiss Mama like that? And babe said, are you jealous? And he said, yes.
Toi tu fais ça. Comme ça. Je fais maman.
So anyway, I took it this morning and I went back and looked at it. And it was good. But I'm kind of worried and I'm kind of not thinking about it. I didn't even feel this morning. Just to show you that I was even thinking that it was going to be positive. I'm not feeling any symptoms, no nothing. Especially how I was sleepy and stuff last time. Nothing this time. Tala's not giving us the time of the day. Anyway, you guys. So there goes I tell babe that it's positive. It still doesn't dawn on me as yet, but let's see if in a few days if my period will come or if I'll take another test and it will be a brighter line. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it's gonna go. Honey, still doesn't dawn on you yet, huh?
No, I'm not, it's not like the first time when I was like...
With Tyler?
And didn't...
Ty!
No, I mean...
Oh, with the miscarriage.
Yeah, I mean like...
Ty!
This one, I'm not...
Stop.
I'm not surprised. So, but it's just like...
Yeah, because we've been trying.
It's just like the surprise like right now.
Anyway, you guys.
It's
Oh, babe. Let's see what's gonna happen as of now. Look at your face. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong.
You happy?
Yes, I am happy.